How to check Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, if it's original or fake. Did you buy a Samsung Galaxy A55 5G or planning to buy one and you're unsure if it's original or fake? In this tutorial I'll show you how to verify the authenticity of your phone, so let's get started. First of all, check the IMEI number. This is a unique identifier for your device. To check it out, dial #06# on your phone to display the number, and then go to the Samsung website or a trusted IMEI checker and enter your code, and it will tell you if the phone is original or if it matches Samsung's database. You can inspect the build quality by checking the materials, as a genuine Samsung Galaxy A55 5G will feel solid with high quality plastic or glass, so look for any misalignments within buttons, screen edges or camera module. You can also check the packaging, as fake devices may come in cheap packaging with spelling mistakes or low quality printing. And you can verify the software, so go to settings, go to about phone and check for the Samsung logo and software version. If the software is not official or shows signs of being a modified version, it could indicate a fake phone. You can also test the features like Samsung Pay, Samsung Knox and One UI if they're available and functioning properly, and you can test the camera quality, and as a last resort you can use Samsung's official support or contact them, and they can verify your device's authenticity using its serial number or IMEI number. And that's how you can check if your Samsung Galaxy A55 5G or any other device is original or fake. Thanks for watching.